Your Nutri Ninja 2-in-1 may come with a 16-ounce or 2-cup chopper. The chopper is perfect for prepping smaller or individual servings of appetizers, toppings, dips, purees, sauces, dressings, and more. To use the chopper, place it inside the 40-ounce processor bowl. It's important to make sure the chopper tab is aligned with and facing the pour spout on the processor bowl. Then add the chopper blade by inserting it on the metal pin in the chopper. Add your ingredients, in this case, half a medium-sized red onion, quartered. Place the geared lid on top of the processor bowl and make sure it's secured tightly. Then place your pod on the lid and you're ready to chop. Pulse 4 times or more for a finer chop. When you're done, pull out the chopper using the tab. And carefully remove the blades first, before the onions. By nesting within the 40-ounce bowl, the chopper is easily stored and frees up space in your cabinets. If you're interested in purchasing this chopper or any of our other accessories, visit ninjakitchen.com. No more tears!